Block, and I'm going to sharpen up this Gerber today with the serrated. It's this man's knife. I'll show you this works. Anything serrated, I roll it in the middle, it makes it vibrate, hits up and down in between the teeth, hits them from the tip to the valley. I have not yet found a serrated they don't work on. Now on the smooth edge, put it on the end of the table, squeeze it tight, draw through. Our rods are made to squeeze back so they follow the original edge, takes all the guesswork out, puts the original edge up as sharp as it can get. They're quick, they're simple, anyone can do it. See that? Hit them on a piece of leather when you're done, and that'll polish it. Any leather works. How's that feel? Better?
Yeah. It hasn't been that sharp since it was before it was new.
Alright, and how's that serrated?
Nice.
There you go. I'm doing these today, 20 each.
Alright, I will be buying one.
Alright. Thank you.
Yep. Can't buy it till after work, but I will be buying one.
Block sharpener, we will sharpen every blade. We're going to sharpen a serrated edge Leatherman today at the Harrison
State Fair.
Grounds. Put them right in the middle and saw. It will not hurt the teeth. It chatters into them. Here it change. Sharpens through the entire tooth right from the top to the bottom. Feel that? Is that sharper?
Sure it is. Wow. Thank you.
Yep. American made will do any blade. Block knife sharpener. We're going to sharpen another Leatherman at the Harrison Fairgrounds. Serrated edges. Block sharpener will sharpen every serrated knife. You put these in the middle of it, rub it back and forth. This side's flat, so you keep the flat side to the pin. Saw away. It will not eat up the teeth. I've done every style possible. It'll take them in the shaving sharp. Block sharpener, we will sharpen serrated knives. Feel that, buddy? How's that feel? Sharper? Big difference, ain't it? Now you got your front smooth blade. Let me show you on that. Thank you. Oh yeah. On this side, these are made to flex, so they stay with the knife's original edge. I got two honing steels. Squeeze it in there tight, draw through. You will not lose what you have on a blade. As you get sharp, bring the back end up a little bit higher. Made to put the original edge back in your blade. Got good knives, you will get shaving sharp. Hit them on leather or cardboard when you're done. That polishes, and that'll get you a little more. Whoop. How's that feel? I'm dropping these down in the show here today, 20 bucks each, still going for 30.